Hello, I'm Lauren,
I'm Jessica.
and we're making
Funfetti Cupcakes!
And so we have the mix already in our bowl, and so we want cupcake tins like this.
How many? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4,
24.
10, 11, 12. Perfect.
And
then,
so you should put the cupcake little wrapper thingies in there first. We could post this on YouTube.
we could post it on YouTube.
Well, the video's going right now, so.
Okay. And then we also have frosting for it that matches.
And sprinkles. You always want sprinkles. That's like a number one ingredient. Especially if you're making a funfetti cake.
Agreed.
Now, we have the mix all in a bowl and the cupcake
Paper.
liners in the cupcake.
Now what? What does the ingredient say?
Now, it says that we need a cup of water,
A cup
a
of
half
water.
cup of oil, and 3 whole eggs. But we're not going to use eggs today because Jessica is allergic to eggs, so we have to do something else.
But it will still taste good. You want to get a cup of water?
Sure.
Okay.
Wait, which one's hot water, which one's cold water?
Hot water is up,
Cold water is
down. Yeah. Perfect.
So we're going to add a cup of water.
Perfect.
And we don't need to mix yet because it's just water and like
Just water.
mix.
What kind of oil do we need? Does it say?
Just half cup of oil.
Half cup of oil. Should we use vegetable oil? Probably.
I think so.
Okay.
So use vegetable oil. And so far the mix just looks kind of the same, but it's a little watery.
Okay. Half cup of vegetable oil. Do you want to pour it? Or do you want me to pour it and then you
pour
put it in?
it.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so hard to get off.
Vegetable oil should not be that hard to get off.
It should not. Let me...
Wait, ow!
Did you get it? What the heck? Oh my gosh, this is so hard. I've used this before. I'm so confused. Let me try one more thing.
Well, maybe you could start mixing, so you'll need a spoon. A big one, not a tiny eating spoon.
Yeah.
Like to mix.
How's it going?
And you can use any spoon except for probably the ones that are like for babies. Ones that you
Got
eat
it.
out of.
Okay.
Okay, this just looks really weird. It is going to look like weird slime, which is normal.
Okay, there's the oil for you.
So now I'm going to add the half cup of oil.
We used vegetable oil.
And I'm going to mix that in with the water and the cake mix.
Looking good, looking good. What is next?
We have 3 whole eggs, but we can't use eggs because Jessica is allergic to eggs. So we have to use something else.
So we're gonna use flaxseed. You can make a flax egg, so it goes 3 tablespoons of warm water, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, and it's really good, I promise.
It'll just be like eggs.
Yep.
Oops.
And flaxseed is really good for you. It has a lot of omega-3 in it, which you need. So I'm gonna get that ready. I'll make the eggs over here, and then I'll give it to you.
The batter should not be very lumpy. It should be
How many eggs?
smooth but not watery. So that means mine is a little bit our batter is a little watery. So you want to just keep mixing it and mixing it.
How many eggs do we need?
3 whole eggs. There should not be any clumps except for the little sprinkles that are kind of clumped.
So I have my warm water in here, and then 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. Have you ever seen flaxseed before?
No. Flaxseed and water is just like an egg, except for it's a little bit different.
Mm-hmm.
And our batter might be a different color than your batter if you're doing this with us.
Yep.
But it'll probably taste good. So you should never judge by looks.
Exactly. Okay, you ready to add it in?
It does not look like eggs and it's dark brown.
Can you see? Kinda? Okay, you ready to add it in? Okay.
This looks really gross. Ew, it looks so gross. I do not want to eat this at all. This looks gross, but it'll probably taste good.
It tastes really good.
Wait, why is the batter so watery? Our batter is very watery.
It'll get less watery.
Probably when we add... Actually, what are we going to add to make it less watery? The flaxseed is giving it a weird watery texture. So it's like spinning around in the bowl.
You want me to help you?
So Jessica's going to mix it.
Okay. Does it say what to preheat the oven to?
So we're going to set the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Ew, that tastes gross. Coat the bottom of the pan with a no-stick cooking spray or shortening and flour dusting.
What about cupcakes?
For cupcakes, you can just put in the...
So set oven to 350?
Yes.
Okay.
You can use a mixer or you can just use the cake mix. So our cake mix has some, it looks like it has like little brown sprinkles, but that's because we are not using real eggs, we are using
Flaxseed.
It'll still taste the same. It'll just be probably better.
And healthier. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay.
The oven is preheating. We set it to, what did we set it to? 350?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And so now, how many cupcake pans is this?
This is just one cupcake pan.
Oh. This could make 24 cupcakes.
Ooh. I could also put a little bit in another pan to make a little bit of cake.
I don't think this makes 24 cupcakes. I feel like it makes pop. But
I think it might, yeah.
it says that this makes 24 cupcakes, but we're going to experiment and see if it does. Because we've never used this before.
Ooh, good stirring. It looks good. What does it taste like?
It tastes very good. It
Ooh.
tastes like we used eggs.
Ooh, and you can eat the batter because it doesn't have eggs in it. Raw eggs.
Oh,
Remember how
really?
because remember how we couldn't use raw eggs? So after we're done, we can lick the spoon.
That is really good. I can really taste the fake eggs.
Yep.
I'm just going to like mix from the edges too because
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea.
The batter of ours looks good.
Ooh.
So, we're going to start to pour it into the cupcake pan.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm gonna move some of this stuff.
So, when you're making cupcakes, you want to fill the liner or the pan about halfway. If you fill more than that, your cupcakes might get a little big. But if you don't fill that much, your cupcakes might get kind of small.
True.
So, you want to fill
It to the perfect amount.
in the middle.
Yep.
Just in the middle. No more than half.
Okay. Do we want to start with this row?
Sure.
Okay. You want to do it or you want me to do it?
You can do it.
Okay.
So Jessica's going to pour the batter in, just halfway into the thing. If you do any, oh no. If you do more than halfway, then your cupcakes are going to get huge. We did a little bit more than halfway.
Yeah.
But if you do like all the way to the top, your cupcakes are going to get huge. So we're doing a little bit more than halfway because we want bigger cupcakes. But you can do halfway too. Most cupcakes are filled up halfway, so they're like normal size. Well, ours are going to be a little bit bigger. For those people's regular. We're better.
We're pretty awesome. Okay.
Well, after that, we bake at 350, and we bake from 19 to 23 minutes for 24 cupcakes, but we're just making 12, so we're going to probably bake for like...
We might have a little batter left over.
Yeah, so we're going to try and make a small little cake, about like this big. But the fun stuff is frosting the cake with Funfetti cupcake icing. So I'm going to mix in the sprinkles to the icing in a few minutes when Jessica finishes the cupcake parts. So I'm going to open this up. So, where'd you get these from? Schnucks?
Target, I think.
You can get these from Schnucks or Target, but there might not be like stacked on top of each other or right next to each other. They might be in totally different aisles.
Agreed, yes.
They're probably together a lot, mostly. So while Jessica's filling them halfway, I'm going to open up the batter. Get me a spoon. And I'm going to... This stuff's hard to open.
Wait, we don't frost them yet, though.
I know, I'm just going to mix in the...
Oh,
I'm going to mix in the sprinkles to the just white, boring, colored frosting.
Good idea.
You can also call it buttercream, as a professional baker would call it.
Got some buttercream.
But most people call it frosting or icing. Okay, this is hard to open.
You want me to get it?
Be aware that this is very hard to open. So I'm going to peel off the top. This is what it should look like. Something like that. Nice and white, fluffy. Nice fluffy slime.
Okay, so we have all of our cupcakes in there, but we have a little bit of batter left over, and it's too much to eat, so I think we're going to put it in a small pan.
Okay, so while Jessica is working on the
I'm going to spray it with
cake-ish thingy that's
olive
really
oil
small, I'm going to put these sprinkles into the white buttercream icing thingy.
Ooh,
Dump them
looks
all
good.
very nicely so I don't spill all over the table. But you can spill on your table if you really want to. So it should just be in a huge pile at the top. So I have a spoon and I'm going to go crazy. And I'm going to pull a bit from the middle and just, oops. Got all over the table. You mix it like a crazy person. So I'm just going to keep cleaning up the sprinkles and throwing them back in. Alright? So Justin, can you do that?
Yeah.
And I'll put the batter over. Can I do that?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to use that way bits of the batter left and pour it in to the cake pan. I can also use my fingers because there's such thing as washing your hands.
Trick. Okay. Here we go. This is very tricky, everyone.
But we want make it Funfetti icing and Funfetti cake and cupcakes. So we're going to show you how to frost the cake and cupcakes once we get them in the oven and they finish baking.
Should we put the frosting in the fridge?
And we're gonna put the frosting in the fridge while we.
Oh, it's ready to go in.
All right, they're ready. So we're going to put our cake and our cupcakes in
long?
the oven for
Cupcakes, about 20 minutes, 19 to 23. So I'm gonna set my timer for 19 minutes.
Maybe not because that's 24 cupcakes. Wait, no, yeah, because we can put them both in at the same time. We didn't make 24 cupcakes. We made 12 cupcakes and a little bit of a cake.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna put them in at the same time and do from 19 to 24 minutes to 23 minutes to bake. Now, my favorite part, tasting the batter, which you can taste because it doesn't have any eggs in it.
Yep.
But if you were to make it a normal way with eggs, you probably can't taste it right now because it has eggs in it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How does it taste?
The batter tastes really good. I can barely taste any of those like flax eggs.
Mm-hmm. It's really good. I'm gonna put the frosting in the fridge.
So now we're gonna put the frosting in the fridge to cool it.
Now what?
Did you just put it in the fridge without the top?
Yeah, we don't need to top. Okay, we'll pause this and come right back when our cupcakes are out of the oven, okay? We're back!
It's Lauren.
And Jessica.
So I might not be doing much because I burnt my hand, so I have to use these weird plastic ice-colored cubes.
Always use your mitts, folks. So now I'm going to try to get our cake out of our pan.
Out of these three fingers. So this is the icing. Oh my gosh, I am not going to look at you. So I'm going to taste a little icing. Uh-oh.
That's okay. The buttercream will hold it together.
So our cake has flipped, and it's a little broken, but the icing will hold it together.
And it's all finished. Okay, do you want to start icing it?
No. So it says on the mix, so let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before removing it.
Oh, that's okay. It's probably been cooling for like 10. And we got our little cupcakes. We need another plate for these.
So the cupcakes look good.
We used toothpicks to see if they were done or not, which I highly recommend. I put them in for 5 extra minutes just to make sure they were like perfectly
made. But if yours are already perfect, then you don't need to put them in for 5 extra minutes.
Mm-hmm.
It was just that ours had a little problem.
Okay. Here are the little cupcakes. They're really cute. Woo! They're slidey and really easy to get out. But be careful because they're hot. You wouldn't want to burn yourself. And we started making spaghetti that we're going to have for lunch.
Do we have a pipe?
A what?
A pipe to pipe this?
Pipe? What's a pipe?
Maybe like put one. So we're putting cupcakes on the board and the plates.
you can see. There we go. Here they all are.
And here's our icing. So, do we have a pipe?
What's a pipe?
Like, a thing where, like, you know.
Oh, no, we don't have one of those.
Then what are we gonna do? We'll ice the cake first, because that's really easy.
Okay.
You just, like, put all the cupcakes in one plate. Okay, so we're going to ice the cake now. Go get a knife, just like a butter knife.
A butter knife?
Not like a super sharp knife.
Okay.
So we're going to use like a butter knife, not a super sharp knife. So first we're going to kind of like blow on the cake to get all that steam off. Now, we're going to take the knife, which could be like this, or it could be like a plastic one. We're going to dip it in icing. And so, since this is broken, we're going to, like, separate it because it's broken. Okay, so.
You want to separate it, or you want to just put it all together?
We're going to separate it
Okay.
so we can, like, put it together. But not like that. Like, separate it so we can just, like, stick it together. We're going to separate it so we can just
Or
stick
we
it.
could just ice it all.
Yeah, we're just going to ice it all.
Yeah.
Is that hot?
A little bit, but not really.
So, we're going to ice the top of the cake and the sides. So, this is how you do it. You're going to take your icing and a knife. You're just going to get a huge blob. And you're just going to toss it on. And you're just going to spread it out. It's really easy. Huge blob, toss it on, spread it out. You can go over as many times as you want. You can get as much icing as you want all over it. But I don't suggest using all of our icing on just one thing because we have to go all over the cupcakes too. So you don't need to put any icing on the bottom, but you just want to put it all over the top. And so we're just going to put icing on it like crazy. I suggest just going one way so you don't just get it like maybe on like over here. So you don't like mess the icing ways up so it looks nicer. And if you have any extra, you can eat it if you want. You can do whatever you want with it. You just want to get a big blob and toss it on the cake.
Ooh, looks good.
Okay, so you want to go over the edges too. But you don't have to. You can do whatever.
Looks good. One.
So Jessica's going to do the edges, like the edges.
Okay.
Ooh.
It looks good. It's making me hungry.
And then once you've finished, you can just grab a cold, refreshing drink of water.
And we have pasta going on in the background. We're having some pasta with red sauce for lunch. Okay. Looks good. And then eat any extra icing.
So right now, this is what our cake looks like. All frosted. So we're just going to make kind of that.
Okay. Put this over to the side. You want a slice of it?
We're not going to eat it yet.
Cupcakes?
Now, we go to cupcakes.
Should we put the cupcakes on 2 separate plates?
Maybe. So, how about this? You're going to get 2 plates. And so you have all your cupcakes on one plate. Like that. But we're going to get 2 plates. So, we're going to take a plate. And we're going to take our first cupcake. And we're going to frost it on the plate. And then we're just going to leave it there and keep taking cupcakes until we've got all our cupcakes on the plate. So, we're going to start by frosting that one cupcake.
You want me to do it?
Yes, so we're going to, do you want to do it as a swirl or just like throw it on top?
You can do it as a swirl.
We're going to swirl it just around the cupcake. We're not going to make it too fancy, like, we're just gonna like swirl it just around. We're not gonna go too high. We're just gonna swirl it like.
There we go. You want to do the next one? Hey,
Do you have any
stop touching it with your fingers.
Do you have any other sprinkles?
No.
Don't make it go up. Just keep it down. Let's swirl it. Wait, let me look at the cabinet.
Okay.
Oh, I see applesauce. Can I have some applesauce?
Is there applesauce?
Yeah, I see applesauce.
Oh, that's not on my drawer. That's on. Mine are the upper ones.
Shall you guys do it like that?
Yeah. So that we don't eat each other's food.
So not like, oh, okay. So we're just gonna keep frosting the cupcakes. So, can you pick like one out?
Yeah, you can go in.
So,
They're not hot anymore.
this is what our cupcake looks like now. Nice and frosted. You can do like a swirl going up, or like just like put icing on top of it. You can do whatever you want with the icing because they're yours.
That they are. Okie doke. Here's
Okay.
one plate full.
I hope you had fun making cupcakes with us, and I hope it turned out just like ours. So we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. No, it's not touchscreen.
I'm Lauren,
And I'm Jess.
and we're back.
And
So-
I just ate a cupcake. It was so good.
I'm gonna try a cupcake. I always look off the icing, but I'm gonna try it together now. These are really warm.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good. They're moist, they're soft.
They're still a little warm, which is good.
It's perfect. You guys have got to try these.